You are heartily welcome to my LED TV repair channel. Today I am going to teach you how to operate the TV with the remote of set-top box. Both of the remotes will be in a straight position. At first, press long the remote of set-top box. So the red light turns on. Press the power button of remote from set-top box. Then the red light starts to blink. Again press long the power button of TV. Speed blinking stops and red light turns on. Now press set button on remote, the red button turns off. After that, check the remote in TV. The power button starts to work. The power is on and off and goes like this by set-top box remote.